Using Dirac delta function or the property of Dirac delta function, evaluate the value of the integration from -2 to 2x plus 3 delta 3x dx, and this value will be equal to 1. You have to evaluate it. So here you have two function. One is your 2 Dirac delta function, one is your 2x delta 3x dx, another 3 into delta 3x dx. So you have 2 Dirac delta function, you have to solve it. And from the property of the Dirac delta function, we know if you have delta ax, that will be equal to 1 by a delta x, and here you have delta ax, a is 3, so this will be equal to 1 by 3 delta x dx, and other term here is 2x, and here the other term is 3, and here delta 3x will be equal to 1 by 3 delta x dx. So you have to apply this property of Dirac delta function, and I have explained or I have proved this property of Dirac delta function in the previous video. And if you solve this one, this will be equal to 2 by 3. You take it outside, and in the integration you have x delta x dx, and here you have 3 cancels, so the function is -2 to +2 delta x dx. And here you have to apply another property of Dirac delta function. That property is x delta x equal to 0. This is another property of Dirac delta function. So if you apply this property here, and the integration must be from -infinite to +infinite. That means integration from -infinite to +infinite, x delta x will be equal to x delta x dx will be equal to 0. So using this property x delta x equal to 0, this value will be equal to 0, and this is the definition of Dirac delta function. Integration from -infinite to +infinite delta x dx, that will be equal to 1. That is the area of the Dirac delta function, that is equal to 1. So the value will be equal to 1. In this way you can find out or you can evaluate the Dirac delta function -2 to +2 2x plus 3 delta 3x dx equal to 1. Thank you.